You see, this is all of your product, and this humidifier is working nicely with this adapter. You see, this adapter I take from another box here, and originally it comes with this adapter. I mark its bed, and this is, you see, disconnected, and the working condition of this humidifier is connected with another that I take from another box. So let's see, we disconnect this one, switch off, then let's start with this adapter. I take it out, and this bed product is marked already, so my both hand is off. Anyway, you see now I connected this product, and you see this is the bad one that I connected with the system, and this is the good one. This is the good one I disconnect from the system. Is it clear? This is bad one. This is good one. Good one I disconnected, and I switch it on. This is not working. Not working. And another one I just delivered to my customer, and it makes very hot. I think maybe within 2 to 3 days it will be finished. So I hope you understand the situation. You see, this is the bad product. It's connected with the system. Again, if I disconnect it and connect with the good one, it's working, right? It's working. So this is the bad one, it's marked here, and this is the good one. It's working nicely. Thank you, hope you understand.